doing good? I hope everyone is keeping safe. So today I'm going to take you with me on a Thursday, and I have someone who's going to check in at my apartment. I'm a host in Kampala. I have an Airbnb apartment that I rent daily. Go check, the link is in the description. You go and check it out and you book your space. In the evening, I'm just at work. I'm going to leave right now, and I have someone who's going to check in around 8. So I want to go do last check-in, like check the stuff, check everything if it's clean. I want to go downtown. I want to go to buy some kitchen towels. I wanted to get the key lock box. I wanted to be installed today, but I think I'm not going to do that because of the time. It's currently 5 p.m. and I don't think I can do it. I hope you're going to enjoy this, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. So that on, I'll be on further upload another video, okay? So this is how everything looks like after someone checked out. Okay, before I've come, I have to clean. Someone is going to check in tomorrow in the afternoon. So yesterday I didn't show you. I went to downtown. I bought these kitchen towels. These, yeah, I need to wash them, and I'm going to wash these utensils. And these, they didn't do anything. So there's trash here. It's not a lot. And okay, they turned out, I think they did not cook because I'm seeing my pots are clean. They did not cook. Yeah. Let me check the fridge. They didn't put anything in the fridge. Hopefully they did not switch it on. Yeah. It saved my electricity, you know. Yeah, so this is how everything looks like. This is the sitting area. Yeah, so I'm just going to arrange, clean, and I mop, and that's it. And I changed the bed sheets. So this is the bedroom. Yeah, I removed the bed sheets. And yeah, the pillowcases, I have to wash them. They're here. I'm gonna put new. So basically the things that I'm going to do today is put new bed sheets, and also mopping the floor and cleaning the utensils. That is it. Thank you guys for joining. If you're new here, I am Brenda, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscription button. When you're at the balcony, you can see the northern bypass. That is the main road that takes you to this apartment. Okay, so you can have this beautiful view of the northern bypass. It's beautiful, right? And in the evening, you can see the sunset. So when you're here, the sun sets, you can watch it. It's beautiful. Honestly, it's so beautiful. I took some video. Also, I think I put the clip in my previous video. Yeah. So I'm gonna insert a picture about the sunset. It's really beautiful. So better come and book your stay at my place. It's affordable and it's a nice place. It's quiet. It's nice. It's nice. Yeah. So yeah, you can check in the description. The link is there, and you book your stay. So also, if you want other places, Kololo, Naguru, Ntinda, Chisasi, Chanja, those areas, or Entebbe, just contact me and I'll give you options. Yeah, so that is it. Let me know what you think about everything, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's get to work. Yep. Actually, I was supposed to clean, to wash this mattress cover, but it will not dry. It will not dry, and I have one, so I'm going to leave it I'll wash after these people check out. This person is going to check in tomorrow. After they check out, then I wash this. Yep, I'm going to leave it because if I wash it, it will not dry for real. But yeah, so that's all. That's all. There's nothing here. That is all. So come with me, guys, as we. Oh, I did not show you the bathroom. It's not clean. Actually, it's not dirty. These people were not that messy. Yeah, they're just two people. They were not really messy. There's no trash here. Yeah, just so that is it. I'm just going to wipe up some things and we get going. Yeah. The trash smells not good. Really. Really. So I feel hungry. On my way, I got this watermelon, this one, and I also got pineapple. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna first have this because honestly I feel hungry. So I'm gonna have this and then I'll clean. And mind you, I have to go back to my place. And it's currently let me see what is time. It's currently it's a 7:05. And I don't have battery on my phone. I think I'm left with 5%. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm going to record everything. So guys, hopefully I'm gonna see you when I'm done cleaning. Yeah, see you. I got this key lock. This is where I keep the keys. Okay, so this is it. Welcome to our home. So this will help me not to every time coming in, to check in someone and all that. So this is a good one. So right now the keys are there. I've locked it. So whenever the person wants to check in, I just tell them that the lock is like this, the numbers they put in, then they get the key. The key's inside here. This is so good. I'm telling you. Yeah, it will save me a lot. Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, so that is it. Everything is said. I've been waiting for this, and everything is done. So that is it, guys.